Welcome guys. In today's video I will show you how to do the text overlay. Let's get started. Create a new layer. Now fill the workspace with any color of your choice. Select the text tool and press the Alt and Backspace to fill in. Now type in end war. Press Ctrl T to transform. Hold the Alt key and drag in order to have a perfect scale. Press V to select the Move tool so you can place the text in the center. Now let's place our picture overlay over the wall. Import your picture. I downloaded this picture from Unsplash and I will leave the link in the description. Move the picture to the top of the text layer and create a clipping mask. Since it's covering the whole text, just select the Move tool and drag the picture away from end. Make sure it fits perfectly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and comment.